In this video, we'll show you how to install QuantV in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So QuantV is one of the most popular graphics mod for GTA 5. It improves the weather, lightings, reflections, and overall visuals that make your game looks more realistic. So to download QuantV, you can go to his Patreon. I'll put the link in the description, Quant Mods. And as you may know, it's a paid mod, so you have to pay $10 for a membership, and you can access the download link through his Discord server. And if you want to download, for example, we're gonna cover single player legacy for this one. You click download link, and after that you will receive a message with the download link, so you just click it and the download should start. Okay, to install QuantV, you also need OpenIV. You can go to OpenIV.com. This one is free, so just click download now here and the download should start. Next, you'll need Reshade. You can go to reshade.me. So here click download, and here make sure you download the one with full add-on support. And last but not least, ScriptHookV. You can click the link in the description, and here just click download, save it somewhere on your PC. Alright, after you download everything, you should have the QuantV zip file and an OpenIV setup, Reshade setup, and ScriptHookV. And to install the mod, you also need your GTA 5 directory. So on Steam, you can go to library and then right click on your GTA 5, manage, and then select browse local files. On Epic Games, you can go to library and then look for your GTA 5, click the three dots next to it, manage, and then click the folder icon to go to your GTA 5 directory. Now you have your GTA 5 directory. Let's first install OpenIV setup, and here click continue and then read the terms, click I accept, click continue again. Here you don't need to change anything, press continue, and then download the necessary files. Didn't belong, so it's done. You can close it and then open up OpenIV, and you'll be greeted with this. You select GTA 5 Windows, and then you need to locate your GTA 5 directory, which you already know. Click browse and then go to your GTA 5 directory, select folder, and then press continue. Alright, we're inside OpenIV now, and the first thing we're gonna do is enable edit mode. You can click this blue button here like that, press yes, and after you've done that, go up top and select tools, ASI manager, and then you're gonna install ASI loader, OpenIV ASI, and also the open camera. And you can close this, minimize OpenIV, and now let's install Reshade. Open up the exe files, and then you can select your GTA 5. If you don't see it on the list, you can click browse and then go to your GTA 5 directory, select GTA5.exe and hit open, click next, and here select direct 10 11 12, click next again, and I recommend to check everything, so click uncheck all and click check all, next, and we'll start installing all the effects. And here you can click next, and that's all done for Reshade. Now let's install ScriptHookV. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR 7-zip, but for this I will use WinRAR, so right click on it, open it with WinRAR, and then go to the bin folder, and here what you need is X input, ScriptHookV, and D input 8. To install it, you just need to put this file into your GTA 5 directory, so just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory, and that's done. Alright, now we're ready to install QuantV. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR, and inside it you have part 1, part 2, and optional. So part 1 is the base mod install, and this is OIV file, so if you open it, it will automatically open with OpenIV. So as I said, you can drag it anywhere onto OpenIV and it'll open up the package installer. So here just click install, and then if available, you can select mods folder and then confirm installation, and it will start installing. And after that's done, you can close it, and we'll go to part 2. So as before, you can do the same, drag and drop it anywhere onto OpenIV, and it'll open up the installer. Click install, select the mod folder, and then confirm installation and wait for it to finish. Alright, the part 2 doesn't take that long, and then we're gonna open up the optionals folder, and here you will have many options, but the thing that I like to install is the trainer. So if you open up the folder, it's gonna be OIV file. To install it, it's gonna be the same, drag and drop it, and then you have the installation. For the trainer, you can select game folder and then confirm installation. After that, we can install the visual presets here. So by default, you'll have 2 options, but if you go to QuantV Discord server, you'll have many more options you can choose and download. But in this video, we'll just select this one, Vivid Summer. So to install it, you can put this INI files into your GTA 5 main directory, just like that. If you want to install other optional mods, you can just install it with OpenIV. But before you open up GTA 5, on Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings, and here make sure you disable Battle Eye, so you're not going into GTA Online and risk getting banned. Alright, we're inside GTA 5 now, and if you install everything correctly, you should see the graphical improvements right away. So to open up the Reshade menu, you can press home on your keyboard. If you install one of the Reshade presets, you can click here and then select the presets and hit select. Alright, next you can press F5 to open up the QuantV trainer, and here you can go to graphics, and you have few options here, and basically the other options is the same as other trainer.